think that your friend, Aman has sent you a nice present on your birthday. Now, write a letter to your friend thanking him for birthday present. মনে করো, তোমার বন্ধু আমান তোমার জন্মদিনে তোমার জন্য একটি সুন্দর উপহার পাঠিয়েছে। এখন, তোমার বন্ধুকে জন্মদিনের উপহার পাঠানোর জন্য ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে একটি পত্র লেখো। আনস টঙ্গী, ঢাকা। মাই ডিয়ার আমান, 12 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2025। I hope you're well by the grace of Allah. I'm very happy for the gift you gave me on birthday. I expected your presence in the function, but you've written that you failed to attend the function for an urgent piece of business. However, you remembered my birthday ceremony and proved it by sending me a nice watch. I think that your present is not just a present, rather it is a symbol of your love for me. I believe only giving thanks to you will not be enough. I offer my heartiest love to you. I really liked the watch a lot. Convey my best regards to your parents and love to the youngers. Yours ever, Selim. Tara Chinho draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and the receiver. And